the Ramen Raider coming at you with a new episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Taiwan. This is Wumu with the Mandashi range. Fancy. Sesame paste flavor noodle. So yeah, how long does this one cook for? 5 minutes. So here's what our noodle looks like. And let's get going. I'm kind of behind schedule today. I slept in. So yeah, probably needed to sleep in. But you know. 5 minutes. It's a straight noodle. A little thicker, I believe, than the last one that I did from this company. I don't know. I don't remember. I've been doing so many reviews lately, it's kind of hard to keep track of everything. This will be review number 4,281. So, just a spit over the 25% mark to review 5,000, and God only knows what'll be around at that point to review. That's a ways off. That's like, if I keep doing 3 reviews a day, I don't think I will be able to, but if I keep doing 3 reviews a day every day, that would be what? Only 240 days away. 239 days away, somewhere around there. That's really not that long. That's like 8 months, I think. Yeah, logically. But yeah, there's no way. It'd be nice. I mean, if I got all of a sudden, if you guys just start sending me boxes of stuff I haven't reviewed left and right, that'd do it. But that's kind of a sticky widget. Because the further ahead I get, and when there's one guy who looks at my lists and stuff, oh, you haven't reviewed this, you haven't reviewed this, there's a chance I have now, so it's kind of like, eh. But yeah, it is Friday, and I thought I'd do a kind of a flashback Friday thing. Oh, this is May, so it's happy September for you, but on my group, Ramen Junkies, and the other group, Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider, there's I did like, what did I do? I posted review number 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I did 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. What else did I do? 6, 6, 6, 9, 1, 1, and 420. I figured, let's see how it goes. Something different. But yeah, it's supposed to be around 60 and sunny today. And that certainly isn't what it looks like currently, which is bumming me out, but we'll see how it goes. Give these a little stir. This is a sesame paste noodle. Sesame paste often tastes like peanut butter. I don't know if they actually do put peanut in sesame paste, but it's quite good. I enjoy it. I need a there we go. We're doing fencing on this episode, so I needed my fencing mask for draining the noodles. Isn't that what everybody uses to drain noodles? A fencing mask? Ah, getting close. So yeah, almost there. I got 3 to do. I don't know if I'm going to get those all done up this morning. I want to get out there, but we'll see. And the boys already to school. The girl should be getting her lunch and going to school pretty quick. Just kind of beat. Oh, I had The in-laws are in town, and I got to have some Panda Express last night. And last time I had Panda Express, I want to say that was like maybe at least 20 years ago. That's maybe more. That was like when my sister lived in Bellingham. That was like eons ago. I was just a punk kid back in them days. No, it had to be more than 20 years ago. Probably like at least 25. Maybe, no, it wasn't 30. But it was okay. Well, last night I had some Panda Express, and it was excellent. I gotta say, it was some of the best Chinese food I've had in the United States. I was really impressed. Some people absolutely go crazy over that stuff, and some people find it to be absolutely repulsive. Honestly, I was impressed. It was like, what was it? Beef and like green beans, and then there was a chow mein that was actually really good. Granted, I haven't had any like American Chinese food in it seems like a long time, so there was that. But yeah, Panda Express. I believe they're owned by the same company as McDonald's. Actually, there's some kind of thing that has to do with them and McDonald's. At least there used to be. So here's our liquidy sauce. Smells like soy sauce. Wouldn't be surprised. And then we've got our sesame aspect. Oh, here comes the sun. Do-do-do-do. Here comes the sun. That's a good thing. Oh, I also got this neat thing yesterday. I'll tell you about that in the next episode. I'm running through like all my material in one episode. It's hard, man, you know, doing 3 episodes a day and figuring out what to yammer about. Boy, I think I mentioned already about the porta potty that I saw that had a somebody left like a blanket and 2 bananas on a coat hook. That was really weird. Why would you? I guess it's just like a kindness. You know, somebody might come in here and they might be hungry, so they might want a banana. I highly recommend that if you find a porta potty that has food in it, perhaps think twice about eating the food. I don't know. Me personally, I'm not interested in eating the food out of public restrooms. So, especially ones that have sleeping equipment in them. Who knows what's going on? Somebody probably was having a crummy time and really needed a nap and didn't want to sleep on the grass. But anyways, on to wonderful things. This noodle looks absolutely on point. We'll see in the chew. Lovely gauge. Let's give it a try. Nice gauge, nice chew. Perfect balance of soy and sesame paste. And by perfect, I mean perfect. That's great. I like that a lot. Hello, IKEA thrift store bought plate. I can't remember. I think I was doing some Mi Goreng reviews and I was like, I need a cool plate. And finally,
it dawned on me, why not get a black plate? So here's my new trick I've been doing lately. I take the, oh man, there's a glob of sesame paste that was kind of too cold. I'll give it another stir. I didn't need the sesame paste enough. Alright. Let's find our magic spot. You know, I can never get that just dead center. We'll see if that works. Will that work? Will everything turn out? That's pretty good. And now let's press it from the center a little bit. A little bit that way, a little bit that way. I try to make it look centered, you know. If it's flat, flat is good. To accommodate our little friend here. That I like. I'm down with that. There's some spring onion. Yeah, I think we're there. And since it is a sesame paste noodle, why would I dare forego the beauty of the humble sesame seed? All right, one down. And that came out looking nice. Oops. I think I'll say that I wish I were eating that this morning. Oh no! There we go. All right, absolutely wonderful stuff out of Taiwan. Yeah, Wumu Mandashi sesame paste flavor. I recommend that one. The next one we're going to have is one from Otogi. This is their kimchi ramen. And yeah, it's been a while since I've done a South Korean variety in a pack like this. So, should be good. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you, instant noodle fans, enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.